Your best friend during Big Boss.
I was with somebody and that person didn't take the breakup very well, and nothing. He apparently wanted to talk about it, and nothing. And then I just
Obsessive हो जाते हैं.
So basically, we have each other's phone passwords.
हाँ.
So once, and then we don't have those passwords. People have like different passwords on every app.
Yeah,
We don't
yeah,
do that nonsense. What is that?
Has cheated in the past but not with you. Would you give that person a chance?
Saya,
Yeah.
I would.
Expecting the guy to pay the bill every time.
Psycho.
Psycho?
Psycho. I mean, I also believe that men should, if they are taking out the girl, right? If you have asked the girl out on a date, then of course you to pay the bill. One thing that I've noticed is even when you're wrong, you need to find the right time to say it. Because in a heated conversation, if you're trying to be right, it's silly because no one's really listening. You've got to communicate when the other person's listening. So just wait for it to calm down. That's new.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Pink Villa. आज के एपिसोड में जो हम लव आजकल शूट कर रहे हैं है तेजस्वी प्रकाश मेरे साथ. So nice to have you.
Thank you so much for having me finally.
Finally. And obviously congratulations on Psycho Saiya. पर
Thank you so much.
उसके पहले I'm sure पूरा दिन ये आखिरी इंटरव्यू you must have been tired and I'm going to ask you to give me wrong answers only.
Oh,
So we're going to start with
that's
the
basically
segment.
what I normally do. Just be me.
हाँ जी. नहीं आप सही जवाब देते हो. अभी आपको सही में गलत जवाब देना है. तो मैं
अच्छा.
जो भी सवाल पूछूंगी you have to give me the wrong answer.
Okay.
Okay. So tell me your first thought जो आपके दिमाग में आया when you saw Karan's tattoo.
Why did he have to do this? Embarrassing.
The outfit color you're wearing right now.
Pink.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I drink a glass of Diet Coke.
Diet Coke. You have to be quick.
Sorry. How am I going to say I drink a glass of beer? I was like, that would be terribly like wrong.
Wrong. You can get terribly wrong. What's a favorite thing or a favorite dish you love to eat?
I absolutely love अरबी की सब्जी.
अरबी की सब्जी. Okay.
Yeah.
The longest time आपने एक ड्यूरेशन में शूट किया हो तो कितने घंटों के लिए था?
The longest has to be 2 hours.
Okay. Best thing about Psycho Saiya?
That I got to shoot the whole thing in Mumbai.
Okay. What's one film you love?
Oh my God, this is such a mean answer.
हॉलीवुड का दे दो. कोई नहीं.
That was a terrible film.
Okay, we can take the next one.
I don't know. Sorry.
Your best friend during Big Boss. You can say that. Okay, you can say anything. What's the most important thing in a relationship?
To cheat on each other.
Okay. शादी में सबसे जरूरी चीज क्या होती है?
कि आप 3 शादियां करें.
What would be the color of your lehenga on your wedding day?
Black.
I'm just imagining that. One thing a man should always have.
Knife.
Nice. Okay. Awesome. Now that
Duh.
we've done wrong answers, we're going to shift to a little bit of right answers.
Oh.
Or talk about...
This is going to be tough now.
This is
You
good.
have to actually be smart.
Yeah, now you have to tell me कि रवि किशन जी जो है obviously इतना काम किया उन्होंने आपके साथ पहली बार था. How was the experience to actually work with him?
Oh my God. It really feels like a blessing. One of my reasons to do this show was that I'd be cast opposite him. And I just got to learn so much from him. इतनी सारी चीज़ें सीखने मिली कि वो ना he's such a crazy actor, you know, he's crazy about his art. He's crazy, he's so passionate about whatever he does. He believes in himself so much. I don't think I've met an actor ever in my life who doesn't question himself like the way Ravi sir does. Like he has a lot of faith in his craft.
Yeah.
He's very confident in what he does. He trusts his craft and his years of experience. I want to have that security in me as an actor once, you know, I get there. Of course, it comes with like, he's done like 700, 800 films. He's done it in so many different languages. His command over languages. All of the languages I've spoken to him in, his Marathi, his Hindi, his Bhojpuri, his English. All of the languages are so good.
So good, yeah.
And you know, the scene, you'll read a scene with him and you assume, right? That's his mood and that's how you imagine your scene to be when you read the screenplay or the script or your dialogues. And he just does something else and you're just mind blown. Because for me, wherever I am, I'm so young right now. I could have never perceived that scene in that way. And then it just teaches me so much that, oh my God, there are a million other ways of perceiving a scene.
So,
And you learn that from somebody like Ravi Kishan. Like, I've never seen him in an avatar like that. Did you see his outfits, his costume, his looks? Only he could carry it off.
Yeah.
And make it so believable that there is a man who lives like that in a place like Katni, who's a star. He's got a Godfather ka poster with his face on it.
that's crazy.
Yeah. So that level of confidence, that's also real Ravi Kishan. Like, he actually loves himself so much. And he also makes you believe you need to love yourself.
That's so good. मतलब खुद के लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है.
हाँ, because आप नहीं प्यार करोगे तो कोई नहीं
करेगा. What kind of a girlfriend are you in real life? Like, of course, we've sort of had glimpses of...
Like, am I psycho?
No. वो दूसरा question है. But similarities that you see between...
With Charu.
With Charu or differences that आप देखते हो Charu के साथ.
See, no. Charu is not as emotional as Tejasvi. Because Charu is in a situation where she needs to get out of a cage. So she's not looking at anything emotionally or anything with a lot of heart and love, to be very honest with you. She's looking at everything as her way of survival. She's a survivor. So, and I look at love very differently. For me to be happy and survive and be peaceful and function in my day-to-day life, I need very stable love and a very stable relationship. The reason that I'm sitting here, which I have, touch wood, and so both me and Karan were very secure in the space that we are in the relationship. The whole day we've not spoken because probably he's seen me in the spotting, he must have checked, oh, she's looking fine, okay, fine. Otherwise, abhi tak call aa jata ki this will change or this or that, or like, so I've not got a call, so probably I'm doing fine today.
I think जब मैं Splitsvilla का भी इंटरव्यू कर रही थी, वो भी मेरा आखिरी इंटरव्यू था करण के साथ. जैसे इंटरव्यू खत्म हुआ, करण is like asking the team, कहाँ है तेजा? सलोन चले जाता हूँ मैं, बैंड्रा में ही हूँ. With it, like right now also, he's like, what time? I'll come pick her up.
Yeah, he's coming right now. Yeah, we
so
have to go
cute.
somewhere. Yeah.
But it's just cute, like even in this city, like you're coming, picking that person up, wanting to see them for some time after so much.
No, that's not the case because now we live together.
Yeah.
So, but then, yeah, it's. I mean, we're together. It's very normal.
Yeah.
And this is what a normal relationship should look like. This is bare minimum.
नहीं है ना आज के ज़माने में.
That is sad. And that's sad. Don't settle for anything less than that.
100%.
Never.
But tell me, has anyone been psycho in love with you ever, or have you sort of seen that side of yourself towards someone else?
Like in my relationship or like a random person?
In a relationship.
In a relationship, I did have, I was with somebody and that person didn't take the breakup very well. And nothing, he apparently wanted to talk about it. And nothing, and then I just
Obsessive हो जाते हो.
Yeah. Like, what happens is when you hurt, you know what they say, like, hurt people, right? So I'm guessing like he was just trying to like hurt me in that way, like just by talking about it. And I have never really been very vocal about my private life before my present relationship, right, with Karan. So nobody knows who I've dated, who I've been with. I don't think it's anybody's business. If Karan wasn't an actor, I would keep it that way.
Yeah.
But since because we fell in love on a show, it's silly. But yeah, I don't like to talk about it. Yeah.
Have you seen? You can't call it silly. मतलब your fan base.
No, I mean like now trying to keep it a secret is silly.
Yeah.
That's stupid.
Yeah, no, absolutely. But he always says this one thing कि मुझे कभी नहीं लगा था कि मैं ये cute way में बात करूँगा कभी. या फिर मुझे नहीं लगा था कि मैं ऐसा प्यार में हो जाऊँगा. Like I'll feel like I'm in love for the first time.
Yeah.
और हमने कितने reels देखे. हर एक लड़की का वो एक होता है कि यार I want a man who will be so special and deeply and madly in love with me, like he's never been before. which has happened in your case, how do you sort of get that side out of him? Like, what about you gets that side out of him?
I think I'm just by being you. A lot of times what happens is you like this person, right? And then you do everything in your power to make that person like you. Do you know what? Like you'll agree to everything he does. You'll be like, oh, you like that? I love it too. You've been there, I've been there too. Like, you know, try and agree with everything, because so that you're finding that way to kind of like relate to him. You're finding that way for him to relate to you and like you. Don't do that, because then you can't do that for too long. You can't like what somebody else likes for too long. You will like what you like, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So then just be you. So that's something that I did, and I was very clear, if you've got to like me, you've got to like me for who I am. And so I didn't really have to do anything. Basically, don't do anything.
Just be yourself.
Just be yourself, yeah.
Is there something about him जो आपने खुद में नहीं देखा है कि ये side भी मैं ऐसी भी हूँ प्यार में? You know, sometimes that shocks you.
Yeah, very calm.
Oh.
Yeah, like one thing that I've noticed is even when you're wrong, you need to find the right time to say it. Because in a heated conversation, if you're trying to be right, it's silly because no one's really listening. You've got to communicate when the other person's listening. So just wait for it to calm down. That's new.
That otherwise you would be very hyper.
Yeah.
That's I think
That's a mature way of looking at it.
yeah. I'm going to ask you some questions जो है bare minimum या princess treatment जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे.
No, you have to do psycho or sanya.
Yeah, okay. Psycho or Saiya.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Let's call it Psycho or Saiya. मैं आपको कुछ situations दूंगी. आपको मुझे बताना है कि is that Psycho or is that Saiya?
Yeah.
Watching a show you hate just because your partner loves it.
It's such a Saiya move. That is so Saiya.
Very Saiya.
Yeah.
Okay. करण ने बोला था
Yeah.
प्रिंसेस ट्रीटमेंट, ये वही सवाल है जो मैंने उसको भी पूछा था. उसने बोला ये बहुत होता है मेरे साथ, ये बहुत होता है मेरे साथ.
Yeah.
So he said, makes you eat food.
Feeds you. Saiya.
Saiya. Okay.
Saiya, yes.
Sharing social media passwords.
I think it's Saiya. For me, I think I'm very okay with sharing passwords, because to me it's more convenient. Like, can you just unlock my phone, see if I've got any message? Can you just reply that like that? I don't have anything to hide.
Instagram also is okay.
Yeah.
WhatsApp is also okay.
Yeah. So basically, we have each other's phone passwords.
हाँ.
So and then we don't have those passwords. People have like different passwords on every app.
Yeah,
We don't
yeah,
do that
yeah.
nonsense. What is that?
बहुत लोगों के पास होता है.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. And you have a lot of things to hide.
Yeah. True. Saying good morning and good night every day.
Saiya.
Saiya. Okay.
Saiya.
Replying to messages in 10 seconds.
Saiya. If you're willingly replying, na?
हाँ.
But expecting psycho. That is totally
Okay.
psycho.
Taking 100 pictures for your man till he finds it like हाँ ठीक है ये चलेगा.
It's yes, Saiya.
Saiya. Okay.
I mean, it's a cute thing to do, but nobody does it.
हाँ, nobody does it. Twinning with the outfit.
Saiya.
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 Picking and dropping or expecting कि वो बंदा मुझे pick या drop करे हर जगह.
Expecting is a little psycho. It's psycho, na?
हाँ, मतलब मुंबई जैसी शहर.
I mean, if you're on the way, like we have to go somewhere together only, so then that makes sense. But like expecting him to pick me up or drop me, that's psycho.
Okay. Planning a date हर बार क्या आप expect करोगे बंदा ही plan करे मेरे लिए?
Psycho.
Psycho.
No, you both have to. It's equal.
This is controversial. Holding your bag.
Because he's held my bag. Saiya.
Saiya. He's like ये glittery वाले pink वाले bag.
Yeah.
मैं नहीं pick करने वाला हूँ.
We got so much hate for that, which is so silly. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, he did though.
अच्छा, he
Yeah,
did?
He did.
Okay. Someone who skips football or a sports plan for you. और आप expect करते हो कि वो
Psycho.
psycho. You are
Psycho.
okay.
Of course he has to.
हाँ.
He has to go out play with his boys or whatever. You can't exist. Psycho.
Okay. Letting your partner win the argument.
Oh. It is Saiya.
Saiya. Okay. Remembering your food orders. छोटी छोटी बातें आपके चाय या कॉफी में या जो भी हो.
हाँ, Saiya.
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 Asking, expecting the guy to pay the bill every time.
Ah, psycho.
Psycho?
Psycho.
Okay.
I mean, I also believe that men should, if they are taking out the girl, right? If you have asked the girl out on a date, then of course you to pay the bill. Or if the girl has asked you out, then the girl pays or you split. But yeah, a lot of men don't want to do the other feminist things, but this they want the women to be feminist. तो तू भर ना तू feminist है ना. बहुत अलग चीजें भी है जिधर you can look
वो
at
एक्सपीरियंस
it,
किया
ना.
आपने कभी जिंदगी में?
No, no, I've been more than happy paying the bill.
हाँ.
It makes me feel very light.
Independent.
I'll take the bill.
Yeah. I can take care of myself.
No, I'm paying for both.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Not even split. I love that.
That's fine. I've done that a lot.
Yeah.
Because I also started working at a young age. So.
Of course. And I think it's
And
a
we
very
didn't even go to
self-made
expensive
women
places.
thing.
And we didn't even go to expensive places. So I could just like, yeah, pay the bill.
Last segment we'll have.
But then you ask psycho, so you have type questions.
Psycho. Yeah, and this is
that?
red can be psycho, green is Saiya.
Okay, yes.
Okay. So सबसे पहले a man who is kind to other people, rude to other people but is kind to you. Red flag. But आपके साथ तो अच्छा है.
No.
नहीं?
Not cool because you have to see how he treats others, huh?
हाँ. Very
Very
important.
important.
Okay. Asks you to quit non-veg for you.
Psycho.
Okay. He tells you to love him for who he is. फिर उसमें जो भी खाना हो.
Psycho.
अच्छा, आप चेंज करोगे थोड़ा. अगर
No, he should be willing to improve himself, right?
Mm.
Like I also expect my partner to love me the way I am, but if he's saying something for my betterment, then it's a good thing.
100%.
Yeah, you can't expect a person to love you whole and soul.
Yeah. I think I'd fall only for someone if he's willing to change in a good way.
Willing to change, slowly change.
Or is
but
open
don't
to change.
don't be like totally nonchalant about it. Huh?
कि मैं तो ऐसा
कि
ही
मैं ऐसे ही हूँ. That is wrong.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Wants to be intimate but does not want to give you commitment.
Psycho. Psycho.
Big psycho.
Big psycho.
Okay. Doesn't emotionally express much but loves you.
I will say psycho.
Okay.
So many psychos are. What psycho questions you're asking me? Because now you can only kind of be with a person so much who doesn't communicate, but you're like, I know he loves me, he just doesn't say it. I know he loves me, he's just busy, he's not big on messaging. I know he loves me, but he's just too busy. I know he loves me, but he... No. If he loves you, he will get out of his comfort zone. He will make sure you know he loves you.
Yeah. I believe.
So you cannot, and then क्या हो जाता है ऐसे relationship में कि बहुत बार आप खुद ही को समझाते रहते हो फिर आपके पास कोई रहता नहीं जो आपको समझा पाए, and then those people just get away with, I'm not very confrontational now.
I can't
I can't express.
Yeah.
I think it's a very sissy way out.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
In a way. More famous than you are. What if your partner, hypothetically, आपके situation में ले लेते हैं, but would you be okay? Say yeah.
Of course.
Is very possessive about you.
Very possessive?
Very possessive. किससे बात की? क्या बात की?
Very possessive psycho.
Little possessive?
सही है.
Okay. You need to update that person कि आज मेरा दिन ऐसा लग रहा है, आज मैं यहाँ से निकली हूँ, or just about your whereabouts, about day to day.
This psycho.
Psycho.
I think, yeah, psycho.
Okay. Has anger issues.
Psycho.
Puts a lot of thirst trap pictures. Shirtless, gym looks.
What's the profession?
Actor ही है. आप भी actor हो, दोनों actor हो.
सही है.
सही है. सह लेंगे थोड़ा.
हाँ, actor है ना.
हाँ.
So, yeah.
Actor नहीं होता तो नहीं.
हाँ, तो फिर psycho.
तो फिर psycho. Okay. Likes a lot, follows a lot of girls.
Psycho. But then अगर actor है तो सही है. Like co-actors, you have to kind of take.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
Has cheated in the past, but not with you. Would you give that person a chance?
सही है.
Say yeah.
I would.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome.
I mean, you're gonna give yourself some credit, right? Like,
Yeah.
so I'll just
100%. Or I think people change
yeah.
with time. Like
I'm going to take the credit. I'm sorry. I'm taking the credit.
you can take the credit of that person. 100%.
Being loyal to.
Yeah, being loyal.
Being loyal to.
Exactly. And giving that space and comfort.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you quickly a few questions. You're just going to kill me. Just a few words और आपको they are very Gen Z और millennial. आपको बस उसको decode करना है और मुझे बताना है कि इसका मतलब क्या हो सकता है.
Oh my lord.
Riz.
Oh yeah. His vibe.
Okay. Hard launch.
Like going to a commitment? No. I don't know what's
Like hard launch your boyfriend. Like मतलब मैंने launch कर दिया उसको Instagram पर.
like commit, right? That's exactly
Yeah,
what I said.
but like show it off.
Or make it official.
Make it official.
But that's it's almost what I said. But okay, fine. Doesn't count.
Okay.
Fine.
Breadcrumbing.
Like being flaky, right? Like
Yeah, like
not
giving
really
options.
committing and just being with a lot of people.
Ick.
Ick is like a lot of things over here are giving me an ick.
Lastly, I have to ask you, viral जा रहा है जो करण ने आपके लिए टैटू बनाया है. क्या कहना है मतलब ये सब decide कैसे हुआ and it was I think the smartest
Obviously.
thing.
Yeah, it was for the promotions of Psycho Saiya.
100%.
Because in Psycho Saiya, my Saiya gets a tattoo of my face on his back.
Okay.
And that's why Karan's got a tattoo of me on the chest. So it's a plot of our show Psycho Saiya, and Karan is trying really hard to be the best Psycho Saiya I've ever had.
What if he actually got this in reality a permanent tattoo? आपका reaction क्या होता?
No.
No. या फिर तेजा या फिर टी या फिर कुछ ऐसा.
Tea is fine.
Tea is fine.
Tea is fine.
We'll see that soon, hopefully.
But I'm okay even with no tattoo.
Would you get a K?
I would, but I'm not into. I've
Not a
never
tattoo
been into-
person.
Yeah, getting inked. Yeah.
I also agree with that fully. But thank you so much. With that, we hope and wish all the best for your show, Psycho
Thank you
Saiya,
so
and
much.
everything coming in the future.
Promoted a lot on Pinkvilla.
Yes.
As you guys have always been promoting me, please promote Psycho Saiya as well. We need all your love, all your support. It's my OTT acting debut.
Yeah.
So I feel very young, very new. I feel like a first timer. So please support me in my debut.
Yeah. First and many more to go, and I will see you super soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.